Unraveling a shocking secret buried deep within your body. A hidden war that can impact you profoundly. Know this first: bacteria, both friend and foe, live here. 1. Lactobacillus aids digestion, another, Gardnerella, triggers discomfort. In the wrong balance, they wage war, causing infections, urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Your body fights, but when it loses, you feel symptoms like burning during pee. Here's the part nobody tells you: frequent sex can increase your risk of a UTI. But fret not. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ever wondered why you're drawn to some people over others? Your brain isn't just playing games, it's following hardwired rules of attraction. You see, your brain releases chemicals when you meet someone attractive. Dopamine makes you feel good, and oxytocin bonds you. But here's the part nobody tells you: your body releases more oxytocin when a person resembles your opposite sex parent. So, if your dad was tall, chances are, taller men might draw you in. Follow Know Your Body for more. Did you know, every 90 minutes, your body produces around 53 gallons of blood? Yet in love's grip, a tiny chemical shifts this tide. Oxytocin. Known as the love hormone, it floods your system during intimacy, strengthening bonds. But here is the part nobody tells you: oxytocin isn't just for lovers. Your body releases it in childbirth and breastfeeding too. And did you know? In a study, participants given oxytocin felt more trusting towards others. Follow Know Your Body for more. Thinking love's a fairy tale? Wrong. You're ignoring science. Here's the part nobody tells you: arranged marriages, when based on shared traits and interests, can be biologically compatible. Your body prefers partners who share similar genetics and habits for healthier offspring. But here's the kicker: studies show couples who choose each other have just a 38% chance of matching traits. In arranged marriages, up to 91%. Follow Know Your Body for more. Misconception: you lose your virginity once, in one act. Here's the truth your body didn't tell you. Penetration isn't the only way to break hymens, nor is it a sign of deflowering. Hymens can tear during exercise, masturbation, or even by using tampons. Your body is complex, and virginity is a myth. Here's the part nobody tells you: 90% of women don't bleed when they have sex for the first time. Follow Know Your Body for more. Deep within, a storm brews. Monthly. Painful, heavy, unsettling, you felt it. But what happens inside your body? A tiny blossom bursts in your ovaries, releasing an egg. The lining of your uterus thickens, ready for implantation. If no sperm meets the egg, the lining sheds. That's your period. But here's a part nobody tells you: this shedding process can cause inflammation, making cramps worse. Your body responds with prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that trigger muscle contractions. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ready for a thrilling ride? Right before your first kiss, your heart pounds like a drum, pumping blood faster than ever. As you lean in, your body releases a burst of adrenaline, increasing your pulse and making you blush. But here's something surprising: that rush of adrenaline triggers your sweat glands too. So, if you feel a bit damp, don't worry, it's just your body responding to the moment. Follow Know Your Body for more. You think your body's a temple? Wrong. Your body is wild, messy, and magical. It's not about control, it's about understanding. Here's the part nobody tells you. Your body doesn't need detox. They're a myth. Your liver and kidneys naturally filter toxins. Over-detoxing can harm them. Your skin, too, eliminates waste through sweat, not toxins. So, stop cleansing diets. Instead, fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods. Remember, your body loves you. Follow Know Your Body for more. Feeling that surge of pleasure? Your brain's reacting big time. Brain areas lighting up like a fireworks display. But here's the part nobody tells you, it's more than just fun. It's your body releasing chemicals, shaping your emotions and decisions. Your brain on masturbation, a cocktail of dopamine, oxytocin and endorphins. These chemicals help you relax, sleep better, boost mood and even reduce stress. But wait. Did you know? Follow Know Your Body for more. Overeating junk food, thinking it's just extra weight? Wrong. You're feeding your body chemicals that impact brain function, mood, and even future health risks. Your body craves nutrients, not calories. Junk food lacks them. This leads to energy dips, irritability, and long-term issues like obesity and diabetes. Here is the part nobody tells you. Puberty changes your body's needs. Your growth spurt requires protein, vitamins, and minerals. Your mind needs healthy fats for brain development. Junk food robs you of these essentials. Follow Know Your Body for more. Feel caught off guard? Let's talk STIs, the topic most skipped in sex ed. These are infections that spread through sexual contact, affecting millions of your peers worldwide. Most common ones include chlamydia, gonorrhea, and herpes. Here's the part nobody tells you. Even without symptoms, they can cause long-term health problems. Your body is resilient, but these infections aren't a battle it can win alone. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay safe. Follow Know Your Body for more. Feeling butterflies in your stomach? That's your body responding to excitement, but here's the part nobody tells you. Your heart races because it pumps blood faster, simulating the fluttery sensation. Your palms sweat due to increased adrenaline, preparing your body for action. But why do your stomach muscles tighten? Stomach contractions mimic butterflies as your nervous system releases stress hormones that trigger these involuntary movements. It's all part of your body's complex biological response to fear or excitement. Follow Know Your Body for more. Mistaking silence for consent? Wrong, my friend. Here's the science behind your pre-intimacy jitters. Our bodies are wired to protect us from danger, even when that danger is intimacy. That's why you feel butterflies. But here's the part nobody tells you. Your body can also associate sexual situations with stress or fear due to past experiences or societal pressure. Surprisingly, this response happens faster than you blink. So, let's talk more about this. Follow Know Your Body for more. Suddenly, your voice cracks, skin erupts, emotions explode. What's happening? Your body's transforming. Puberty, a journey of change. Here's the part nobody tells you. Your body starts producing more hormones like testosterone and estrogen, setting off a cascade of changes, from deepening voice to growth spurts. But here's a surprise. During puberty, your brain also grows faster than any other time in life. Follow Know Your Body for more.